Hello everybody, today we make a special meatball. We make eggplant meatball. I chopped the eggplant as little square. Look at this little cube. And I got over here red onion chop already, red onion. I chop the white onion and I chop the garlic. I got 2 eggs. These eggs, see you want, look, you roll on me. But see you want, standing up, you can do that. You do like this, see, it stays straight. Like it's not run with you. I got mozzarella. I want to put a little mozzarella. I chop a little cube. I got a pecorino cheese. I got a breadcrumb, salt, my beautiful parsley from my garden outside, and I got a black pepper. Now, to start this, I gotta saute this in the pots. You gotta saute first the onion and the garlic. Okay, I put the gas on. This is the pots, and I want to start with the oil. I want to warm up the oil. Now, you need a little extra oil like this, because the eggplant, when you saute after, absorb right away the oil. And I put, not too much, but I put a little extra oil over here. We raise the flame a little bit. We got to start, do the garlic, and onion, the white, the red. And now I put right in my pots. If this, it's done, I got my wood spoon. This, the onion garlic, the meatball with the eggplant comes so delicious and really tasty. Okay, now it's the time of the eggplant, the onion, it's nice. It looks so much, this, but after it come out nothing. Like this, we raise the flame. Cause this now you gotta cook it together. But one time this is start to warm up, the eggplant go fast, it low everything. I low the flame, can one of the garlic and the eggplant, the burn out. And this it's good for the people who eat no meat. And we make this kind of the meatball with the eggplant. Okay, now this already it's like 7 to 8 minutes. And now, this, I saute, I want to put the salt. It's like a teaspoon. A black pepper. After, the black pepper, or you can put the flake at the pepper, you do what you want. All right. I'm gonna my cook table over here, and I want to put it right over here. I want to take it out. You got a little water, plus it take a little while to cool off. Let's say take like maybe 15 minutes. To cool off, and what I do like this. Once in a while, you can do like that, it cool off more fast. You see, you got the stuff, you see, it come out of the juice. Okay? All right. Now the eggplant, you gotta cool off. I got my fresh parsley from my garden, and I want to chop for the eggplant over there. Okay, now the eggplant, it's cool off, and now it's a time for the mix. I got 2 eggs. I got over here pecorino cheese, like 4 tablespoons of pecorino cheese. I got a parsley, fresh parsley. And I got a breadcrumb. Breadcrumb, I got 1 cup. Now, this is a mix, and I want to roll like a boss, like me. I'm the boss over here. Now, you can make the size you like. You can make it big, small, any size you like. Now, I make like this. After I roll a little bit like that, I make a little hole in the middle, and I want to put a little mozzarella inside, just like that. After you close again. After you roll, you put on a breadcrumb like this. After you do on a breadcrumb, make sure the roller again a little bit. We put over here, and we gotta make a few more the same way I make the first one. Okay, now the oil is hot and we try. I use a toothpick over here and I want to see, boil. You see, bubble, and the oil is ready to go. And I use this little scoop over here. Like this, I make sure that nobody can burn. You just dump like this inside. And I got 3 more. And I do the same way I did the other 3. Like this. Okay? And now you gotta make sure this, the turn once in a while, but not pick inside. Just turn like this. You see the oil, it's not really boil too much. I want the meatball the big nice color. Now turn one, you see? Okay, now this is done. And we scoop out and we put right over here on a paper towel I got over here on the dish. But look at this. This look like really with a meat, like a meatball. I call it eggplant ball. Look at the ball. Look how nice. Ooh, okay. Now I want to taste. I want to taste one. Okay, I'm ready to eat this. I waited so long to fry this. Okay, let's cut. And look at this. Look how nice, juicy, the mozzarella inside. And now, you gotta watch, now it's out, huh? Really good, but it's really, really hot. Now this, so you can make with a nice dish pasta, appetize, or look at nice TV, sport, football, baseball, and you dip this nice marinara sauce, little spice, nice beer, or nice glass of wine, and do salute e cin cin. But nice beer, Peroni, Nastro Azzurro, this, it go really good. Thank you, and I'll see you next recipe. Thank you very much. Really good stuff.